suit. I'll make the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, stay out the way. Got another slide on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install and style this hair from Ashimary Hair. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I am so in love with this unit and this hairstyle, so I cannot wait for you guys to see how I achieved it. But before we can get into this video, I'm going to go ahead and need you guys to thumbs this video up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, all the links on this unit will be listed in my description box, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But let's go ahead and hop right into this video.
If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep all those key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, and nobody knows. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't beg. That pussy's feeling like the great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it pays it right. Where's the good night? We committed a crime. Why you belong, you won't say goodbye. Can't be outside, cause I'm not getting too high. Choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it all low-key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows. Keep it all low-key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows. I need total confidential private. No one knows, thinking I'm a brother. Time so sweet that we on the first. Suddenly I like to get it poppin', but these things in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Keep it on ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Keep it on ski, I'm the lowest of the low. Cause if you can keep it, let nobody know. play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no money to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
Easy on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my hitters gon' bang quick. Fuck around and get dangerous. Step like bimbos, to my Timbo. Hoes, no one ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real, no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna lick her right off. Let them taste the then I keep them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga try to fun.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, habit. Sippin' acorn, rich nigga on A1. Baby, breaking that acorn, baby, butter pecan. Bringing that on the refund. Breaking that back till I see the sun. I fuck the bitch on the jet. Keep me get on her neck. She only call me for 6. Speed in the bitch. I stick up my foot on their neck. Finna put on the wrist. I used to drop it at X. From the strong, gotta keep you a gun. Not a break up at that strong. Fucking whole by the week every month. She want me sticking it deep in her gut. Let me know if you wouldn't know what. Catch your body, I keep it on hush. You pussy gon' tell her to rush. Come to the spot and I'm feeling the splash. I'm fuck with these niggas a dub. Money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, surf, papa, hurt, papa, smurf, lotta, dirt, I can call up, dirt, crow heart, shirts, millions off merch, sippin', drippin', tippin', trippin', women, hey, linen, hey, dealing, killing, spinning, willing, grilling, hey, feeling, pay, money, huddle, gotta, cuddle, lotta, order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on a, gonna, wanna, come on, hunter, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, Benny, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave.
side on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know those key, I'm the lowest of the lowest. The niggas can keep it, ain't nobody notice. I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacement's on the way, please don't play. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, or that don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, it's calling on my face. I don't know how to reach me every time that it plays in my eyes at the night. I committed a crime. Why you belong in my cigarette spot? Can't be outside 'cause I'm not getting too high.
Alright, so y'all, this is how my hair came out. I am so in love with these soft waves. I love them so much. This hair is just amazing. I haven't had any issues whatsoever with the lathes, installing it, with the hair itself. Everything is just so beautiful about this hair. And so I decided to let the hair speak for itself and just do some really soft and cute waves. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, all the links on this unit would be listed in my description box as well as a coupon code. So do not forget to go down there. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I never saw me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the low.